Welcome to Bonneville Automotive. Today we're going to talk about chisels and punches. This is also another tool that you will commonly use in the small vehicle repair. Now on a chisel and a punch, there are various types, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at what we have today. Alright, so this would be known as a chisel. It has a flat edge that's usually cut into a nice sharp point there. Okay, so this way you can use this to various things. Break off a bolt, help separate various items. Now this one needs to be dressed. And what I mean by dressed is if you look here at the top, it has mushroomed over. It should be smoothed round like this one. So all you have to do is sit there and grind this nice and flat so it has a nice rounded edge like this one. So when you get that, you don't have to throw them away. They just get cleaned up. Now, in addition to that, we can clean up the head, or the cut, I'm sorry. And there is a gauge to help provide that. So I can slide that on there and see if I'm within the right spot. This one needs to be cleaned up. Now, on a chisel, you will use a metal-faced hammer. You don't want to use any rubber sand or soft. You want that a nice, hard hit. So that way it goes all the way down. Now, when we do that, we have a risk of smacking our hand. That could hurt. So what we have is a chisel or punch holder. And this slides down in here. And you can tighten the handle. And now I have my fingers away from the chisel. And I can sit here and beat on that really hard. But once again, I don't want this mushroomed, because what will happen is I strike this, it will want to roll away and having more risk of injuring yourself. So this is a chisel. Now let's look at a punch. Here's a punch. Now this one also needs to be dressed. But the punch comes to a point. Some of them have very sharp points or blunt. This is to help push out a pin or such. So this is why you would call this a punch. So what we have again are a chisel or punch holder, a chisel, and I have two different punches here, and we were talking about that you can what's called dress them. That is to clean up this edge right here. So, and you can also clean up this edge. Thank you for joining me. Please once again like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you at our next lesson. Thank you.